first kind of go backwards where you talk about withholding of dues. So the state of the case law, it could change. It could change because of the coronavirus, or could just change because the laws evolve. The state of the case law now is that you cannot withhold assessment payments due to amenities or common areas being shut down. Now, that doesn't mean that associations can shut those down without any kind of exposure for people that are paying assessments, because those people could still file suit. So they could pay their assessments like they're supposed to. They're not withholding their dues, but they're filing suit for the association, and they could claim, as I stated before, some claims such as unjust enrichment, or even if there's a contractual right that says that a certain thing will be available to a member, and then all of a sudden it's not, that it could be a breach of contract, but it certainly could be unjust enrichment where the association is collecting the same dues they were when they were providing the amenities. Now they've shut down the amenities, and they may shut those down for an extended period of time or for an indefinite period of time, which may be worse to a resident who is looking forward to using the pool or the gym or the clubhouse. There are arguments that you can make those areas safe. There are other arguments that would go in favor of the members, such as if the association is closing those down because of the coronavirus, then they would have to be concerned that someone could actually prove that they contracted the virus and had damages because of it from a certain area, such as the pool being open or the clubhouse being open or the gym being open. So it's a proof problem, and because it's a proof problem, that may weigh into a judge's decision and saying, well, you close these down, but did you really have that much exposure? How was somebody going to sue? And the other side could say, okay, well, yeah, but we still have to defend the action. It costs money. It's just easier to shut these things down. And there's going to be a lot of case law that's going to come out on this. There's going to be a lot of lawsuits that come out. How they're going to come out, I don't know. But as I stated, the current state is you can't withhold dues. Somebody could certainly sue for the damages based on paying those dues and not getting the amenities that they were promised out of those. And the association is certainly going to say we have a duty to protect our residents, and that pools and gyms and things like that are not essential. Of course, there are other people that would argue that gyms and pools are exercise, and then you can make those safe, and so those are essential. So there are arguments back and forth on both sides of that issue.